Embroidery can look intimidating, but with the right tips and tricks, you will have all the confidence to try out every project you want to make. My name is Floor Hiebels and I'm an embroidery artist and a Skillshare top teacher. In this class, I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks to improve your workflow with hand embroidery. Over the years, I've had many frustrations with my hand embroidery, and there were always these simple little tips and tricks that made me want to pick up my embroidery again. In this class, I want to share those tips and tricks with you. I'm going to show you how to start and end your stitch without having to make a knot, hiding your loose threads, and working in a way that is comfortable. After this class, you will hopefully feel inspired to pick up your embroidery project with a whole new look and try out these tips and tricks. This class is for beginners, but also for experienced embroiderers, because you just never know when that aha moment is gonna hit you. That moment that you're like, wait a minute. Now it makes sense. Now I feel excited about this again and I want to start and pick up my embroidery project. So join me in my class and let's find out if you're gonna get your aha moment.